Given that x is an integer, satisfy the equation. We are asked to find all possible value of x. Note that the term square root of x minus 1 occurs 2 times here. So it is reasonable for us to let, say, y equals to square root of x minus 1. If so, y squared plus 1 will equal to x. So the original equation will become square root of x, that is y squared plus 1, plus 3, that is y squared plus 4, minus 4y. And for the second square root, x plus 8, it will be equal to y squared plus 9 minus 6y equals to 1. Now it's clear that we can write this as y minus 2 square and square root. And for the second one should be y minus 3 square and square root equals to 1. Please note that square root of a square number, it is always non-negative. So it should be modulus of y minus 2 plus modulus of y minus 3 equals to 1. We are going to consider 3 different scenarios. Number 1, y is less than 2. If y is less than 2, modulus of y minus 2 will be equal to 2 minus y. And for this, it is equals to 3 minus y equals 1. So this will equals to 5 minus 2y equals 1. And therefore, y is equals to 2. Now, we already say that y is less than 2. And you obtain the answer y equals to 2. We have to reject this answer. Okay, so there's no any solution for the case y less than 2. For second case, we will write y in between 2 and 3. If y is in between 2 and 3, the modulus of 2 minus y still remain as 2 minus y. And the modulus of y minus 3 will equal to 3 minus y equals to 1. Now we can see that the left hand side is y minus 2 plus 3 minus 1. This is always true. It's true for all y in this interval. Okay, so for any value of y, this is always true, and we can accept all the value of y in this interval. And y is equal to square root of x minus y. Square root of x minus 1 is in between 2 and 3. So you square it and plus 1, that is equal to a 5. And this is a 10. So meaning that for this interval, x can be equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 10. Okay, so we have 6 integer of x satisfy the equation for this case. Last but not least, we will consider the case where y is greater than 3. If y greater than 3, then this is y minus 2, and this is y minus 3 equals 1. So from here, 2y is equal to 6, and y equals to 3. Again, we can't accept this value because in this case, y is greater than 3. So we have to reject this answer. Anyway, y equals to 3 is one of the answer from here. So it's already counted before. In short, all the possible value of x should be x is come from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So these are all possible value of x. As usual, I prepare some question for you to try on. Please work it on your own and you may check our answer in the description. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.